Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. My name's Mariella and my channel is In the Kitchen with Mariella. Hey, today is Friday and I have an eye doctor's appointment, so I'm actually filming this on Monday. So today I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to make country style ribs in the air fryer. So come on, let's go. Okay, so first off, we need to preheat our air fryer. And we're going to preheat it on 400 degrees. So we're going to start that. Now we're going to take our country style pork ribs and we need to pat them dry. Buddy, that is enough. Okay, then we're going to take it's going to come out to be 2 tablespoons of rub. And we're going to rub it in on one side. Flip them over. And do the same thing on the second side. So what do you guys have planned for this weekend? It's Mother's Day weekend. What are y'all going to do? You got family coming over, kids and grandkids and stuff for Mother's Day? Planning a big cookout and stuff? Now these would be good for Mother's Day. Make these because as long as if they don't have a bone in them, you only cook them for 17 minutes. If they have a bone in them, then you cook them for 20 minutes or until the internal temperature reaches 185. Wash this rub off of my hands. But yeah, like I said, it's actually Monday, but you'll see this on Friday. Okay, our air fryer is preheated. So I'm going to open the basket. I'm going to give it a spray. Then we're going to lay our ribs in here in a single layer. giving them enough space. These are some pretty big ribs here. Can y'all see that? There they are in there. Now we are going to air fry these on 400 for 10 minutes. Then in 10 minutes, we'll come back and we will air fry them another 8 to 9 minutes. We'll check the temperature and we'll go from there. So I'll see you guys back in about 10 minutes. Okay, guys, that 10 minutes has went by. See what they look like? Now we're going to flip them over. And because these are so big, I'm going to go ahead and cook these another 10 minutes. And I'll bring you guys back when that 10 minutes is up. Okay, guys, it's been another 10 minutes. So now what we're going to do is, I'm going to move you guys over just a little bit. Now we're going to take some barbecue sauce. And we're going to brush it on the tops. And I checked these at 7 minutes cooking, and they were at 177, so I know in 3 minutes they got up to 185. Okay, we brushed the tops of them with the barbecue sauce. Now we're going to put them back in there for 3 minutes. Only this time, we're only going to cook them on 385. It automatically comes to 385, and we only want to do 3 minutes. Push start. And in 3 minutes, they will be done. So, altogether, in about a half hour, you figure by the time you pat them dry and rub them and cook them, and then put the barbecue sauce on them, that took about a half hour. And then on Monday's video, that street corn salad, that Mexican corn salad, you can make that while these are cooking, and within a half hour, your whole meal is done. And it's a good hearty meal. I want to wish you all a happy Mother's Day. to the mothers out there, and a happy Mother's Day to the fathers out there who have to be the mothers. And I want you all to have a wonderful weekend. So I will bring you guys back in about 2 minutes. Okay, they are done. So we're going to get them out. Ooh, they look so good. And yes, I will be sharing with Buddy. And there you have it. Air fried country style pork ribs. Okay guys, let's have a taste. Mmm. These are good. They're tender, they're juicy. Boy, you better go lay down. I just fed you. I was afraid they wouldn't get done. And if they got done, they would be tough. But they're not. They're really good. So you can make this for Mother's Day or any day. The ribs only took 23 minutes in the air fryer. Stop, you'll get some later. So I want to thank you all for watching the video. As always, this recipe will be in the description box below. Remember to like, subscribe, ring that notification bell, leave a comment, and share my video. I would appreciate it. If you would like to help support the channel, there's a link to mine and Buddy's Amazon wish list in the description box and a link to our PayPal account. You see this? Hold on. Now, what are you throwing fits for? What do you want? What do you want? Huh? Come on. What do you want? You big polar bear? What do you want? What do you want? You're going to let me brush you again today. We need to get rid of all that loose hair. I'm tired of cleaning it up. I'm going to brush you. Yes, I am. I'm going to brush you. Come here. Come here. Come here. What? What? You crazy dog. You're a crazy dog. Look at you. You're going crazy. You're going crazy. Yes, you You're going crazy. Yes, you are. Yes, you are, you crazy dog. You're crazy. All right, let's tell the people goodbye. Let's tell the people goodbye. You gonna tell them? You gonna talk to them? No, you ain't talking. All right, guys. Thank you again for watching this video and this crazy dog. As always, don't let anyone steal your sunshine or your smile. Have a good weekend. Bye-bye. Happy Mother's Day. Bye, guys.